Okay, we out here in the yard. We pulled these out of the shed. 2 lumber carts. We're going to restore these for use as coffee tables. This one's got a piece of plywood screwed to the top. We're going to unscrew that and throw it away. This one over here, although the boards are cracked, they're all solid. Might see if I can't leave them on as an original. After a little more checking, I'll make that decision. Okay, be back as soon as I get the plywood off the other one. See where we're. Well, as you can see, we're down to the bones here. I just went ahead and stripped the wood off at the top of both of them. I get some nails out of there yet. Next time you guys see these, they'll be upside down on the sawhorses, getting the wheels taken off of them, and I'll take the corners off. They all get cleaned up really well. I usually put about 3 coats of paint on the iron. Then the frames I'll take down into the shop and we'll sand them down really well. Put the polyurethane on them and all new top boards. So there'll be a few more short videos showing this process. Hope you guys stay tuned, go along on the journey of these 2 carts.